Hello everyone, I am Manali Kaude from LJ Polytechnic. In this ongoing tutorial series of subject.NET programming, up till now, we have discussed about .NET framework, different features of .NET. Then after we have seen what is common language runtime, what is an IDE. If you have not yet watched that video, then I will put the link in below description box. In today's tutorial, we are going to see what is input box. So let's get started with the tutorial. Input box is a function which displays prompt in a dialog box and waits for the user to input text or click a button, and it returns a string value. The input box function prompts the user to enter the value. After entering the value, if user clicks the OK button or presses enter on the keyboard, the input function will return the text in the text box. If the user clicks the cancel button, the function will return an empty string. Now let's see the syntax of input box function. First of all, you have to write down the keyword input box. Within the parenthesis, you have to mention the first argument, that is the prompt of string type. Second argument which we will mention is the title, which is again of string type. Third one is the default value, which will be displayed in the text box. Fourth argument is the x position value, whereas the fifth argument is the y position value. So this is the syntax of input box function. Now let's see the example of input box function. As you can see on your screen, this is an IDE of Visual Studio. You can see on your screen form control is there. So I will change the text property of form control as example of input box. Then after, I will change the name of the form as frm underscore input. Now I will place two controls on my form, that is the button control and label control. Now I will go in property window and change the name of my button control as btn underscore greater. Then after I will change the size of the font, and next I will change the text property of button control as greater among two numbers. Now I will go to the property window and change the property of label control. So first property which I will change is the text property of label control. Next I will change the name property of label control and write down lbl underscore result. So this name property will be used during the code. Now I will move to the code window. There I will declare two variables named as a and b of type integer, as you can see on your screen. So here I will write down a is equal to input box, and then after I will write down enter first number and then I will write down enter second number as argument. Now I will write down the condition, that is if a is greater than b. So if the condition is satisfied, so it should display the value of a into the label. So that's why I have written lbl underscore result is equal to a, and then I have concatenated the value with the string, that is a greater number. And if the condition is false, then it will go into the else part where it will display the value of variable b. Now let's see the output of this code. So I am clicking on the button and you can see it displays the dialog box. I am entering the two numbers, and whenever I click on the OK button, it displays the number which is greater as output. Now we will see few questions related to this topic. So the first question is, what is input box? Second one is, why do we use input box? And the last one is, calculate the area of rectangle by getting the values from the user at runtime with the help of two input boxes, one for length and second one for width. This was all about today's video. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video.